The table summarizes results from 977 pedestrian deaths that were caused by automobile accidents. So there's the results of that table. If one of the pedestrian deaths is randomly selected, find the probability that the pedestrian was not intoxicated or the driver was not intoxicated. Okay, let's be a little careful here. So remember that probability is the number you want over the total number. So they're asking us pedestrian not or driver not. So basically, let's go case by case. How about these 46? For those 46 deaths right there, what's the case? Well, the driver was intoxicated and the pedestrian was intoxicated. So is that what we're looking for? The probability, they're saying what we want, we're doing the top right now, what we want, is the pedestrian was not or the driver was not. No, they both were. So cross that out. That's not what we want. How about the 70 right here? The driver was intoxicated, but the pedestrian was not. They said you want the pedestrian not, so that's good, or the driver not. Well, the driver was, but the pedestrian was not, so we want those 70. How about these 222? The driver was not intoxicated, the pedestrian was. What do we want again? Either the pedestrian not or the driver not intoxicated. Yeah, the driver was not intoxicated in those 222 cases. Plus, what about the 639? No and no. Nobody's intoxicated, so we certainly want that. So all of those over the total 977, they gave us that right up here. So let's definitely use our calculator. These are some big numbers here. I'm getting 931 over 977. Then if you divide that on your calculator, I'm getting 0.9529, and we're supposed to move the decimal twice to change it to a percentage. 95.29%. They want one decimal place. So 95.3%. So that's our answer. So if one of the pedestrians is randomly selected, the chance if you grab one of these accidents at random, the chance that you're going to find a case where either the pedestrian was not intoxicated or the driver wasn't, at least somebody was not intoxicated, is 95.3% of the time. So there we go.